Top 3 fruits to detox kidneys. Our kidneys are like the unsung heroes of our body, tirelessly working behind the scenes to filter out impurities and excess waste. Just like we pamper our skin with skincare routines for that healthy glow, our kidneys deserve the same level of attention, especially when it comes to the foods we consume. What we eat, particularly in the morning, can have a massive impact on how effectively our kidneys perform their detox duties. So, if you're looking to start your mornings the right way, giving your kidneys the love they deserve, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end of this video, because I've got an amazing kidney detox juice recipe you won't want to miss. But first, let's dive into the top 3 fruits you should include in your breakfast to help detox your kidneys. Trust me, your kidneys will thank you later. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 3, apples. The classic apple, simple yet powerful. You've probably heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but did you know that it could also be a great friend to your kidneys? Apples are packed with fiber, which, as we've talked about before with other superfoods like cabbage, plays a crucial role in flushing out waste products from the body. This lightens the load on your kidneys, helping them do their job more efficiently. One of the most impressive benefits of apples is their ability to help lower cholesterol, thanks to a unique compound called pectin. This natural compound helps keep cholesterol levels in check, which can lower your risk of developing kidney disease and keep your blood pressure healthy, 2 key factors for maintaining strong kidney function. But that's not all. Apples also have a moderate amount of potassium, a mineral that is essential for overall kidney health. Plus, they're rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation can be a major contributor to kidney problems, so anything that helps reduce it is a big win for your kidneys. Another reason apples are a kidney-friendly food? They have a relatively low glycemic index. This means they release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, which is great for people with diabetes, a condition that often impacts kidney function. So, adding an apple to your morning routine is not just tasty, it's a great way to support your kidneys in a natural and delicious way. Now that you know why apples should be a part of your breakfast, stay tuned for more kidney-boosting fruits coming your way. Incorporating apples into your breakfast is not only easy but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, toss slices into your oatmeal for a sweet crunch, or stir them into a creamy yogurt parfait. For a fun twist, blend them into a refreshing smoothie to kickstart your day with a burst of nutrients. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, try making apple compote or baked apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, comforting treat. The possibilities are endless when it comes to adding apples to your morning routine, and with all the health benefits they offer, it's a delicious way to show your kidneys some love. Now, let's move on to the next powerhouse fruit that can work wonders for your kidneys: blueberries. Though small in size, blueberries pack a punch when it comes to health benefits, making them a true superfood for kidney detox. These little berries are bursting with essential nutrients, especially antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress. The vibrant blue hue of blueberries comes from anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that has potent properties to shield your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your cells, contributing to aging and disease over time. When it comes to kidney health, oxidative stress is a major concern because it can lead to inflammation and damage to the kidneys. By reducing this oxidative stress, blueberries can help protect your kidneys and support their natural detoxification processes. But blueberries don't stop at anthocyanins. These berries are also a rich source of other antioxidants, including vitamin C and manganese. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, while manganese is essential for proper enzyme function, both of which help fortify your body against potential health threats. Speaking of inflammation, it's no secret that chronic inflammation is a key player in many diseases, including kidney conditions. Fortunately, blueberries are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce this internal fire. Lowering inflammation is vital for kidney health because chronic inflammation can damage kidney tissues and lead to more serious health issues over time. Another benefit of blueberries is their impressive fiber content. Dietary fiber is crucial for digestive health and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar, which can alleviate stress on the kidneys, enabling them to function more efficiently. Fiber also plays a role in reducing cholesterol, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. A balanced blood sugar level means less strain on your kidneys, which helps them stay in top shape. When it comes to enjoying these nutrient-rich berries, the options are endless. You can sprinkle fresh blueberries over your morning cereal, stir them into creamy oatmeal, or add them to tangy yogurt for a satisfying and nutritious breakfast. For a refreshing twist, toss them into a smoothie, Or if you're craving something indulgent, whip up fluffy blueberry pancakes drizzled with honey or maple syrup. The sweet tart flavor of blueberries will not only please your taste buds but also fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to kickstart the day in the healthiest way possible. Now, let's talk about the final fruit on our list, pomegranates. Pomegranates are like little jewels, bursting with health benefits and a rich source of antioxidants, making them a fantastic choice for kidney health. Known for their vibrant red seeds and refreshing flavor, pomegranates are often hailed as a superfruit, especially when it comes to supporting kidney function and detoxification. The antioxidants found in pomegranates, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, are incredibly effective at reducing oxidative stress, which can otherwise contribute to kidney damage over time. Oxidative stress is one of the primary factors that can lead to inflammation in the body, and chronic inflammation is a major contributor to the progression of kidney diseases. Pomegranates, with their robust antioxidant profile, can help reduce this oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially slowing or even reversing kidney damage. By incorporating pomegranates into your diet, you're giving your kidneys a powerful ally in their fight against the damage caused by oxidative stress. What makes pomegranates stand out is their ability to support kidney health in multiple ways. Not only do they combat oxidative stress and inflammation, but they also promote overall cardiovascular health, which is important for maintaining proper kidney function. Healthy blood flow and reduced inflammation contribute to better kidney health, making pomegranates a fantastic fruit to add to your morning routine. Incorporating pomegranates into your breakfast is easy and fun. You can sprinkle pomegranate seeds over your oatmeal or yogurt for a burst of flavor, or blend them into smoothies for an antioxidant-rich drink to start your day. If you're feeling a bit more creative, you could even make pomegranate juice to enjoy with your breakfast or snack on throughout the day. The sweet, tangy taste of pomegranates not only satisfies your taste buds but also provides a powerful health boost that will help support your kidneys and overall well-being. By incorporating apples, blueberries, and pomegranates into your breakfast routine, you're providing your kidneys with the essential nutrients they need to function at their best. Each of these fruits brings a unique set of benefits, from reducing oxidative stress and inflammation to regulating blood sugar and cholesterol. So why not give your kidneys the love they deserve and start your mornings with these kidney-friendly fruits? Your kidneys will thank you, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, more vibrant life. Incorporating pomegranates into your breakfast routine goes beyond just adding flavor to your meals. This fruit is a powerhouse for kidney health. One of the standout benefits of pomegranates is their ability to boost nitric oxide levels in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of blood vessels. Healthy blood vessels are essential for efficient kidney function because the kidneys rely on a dense network of blood vessels to filter and remove waste from the body. By increasing nitric oxide levels, pomegranates help ensure that the blood flow to the kidneys remains optimal, which supports their detoxification processes. In addition to improving blood flow, pomegranates are also a good source of potassium. Potassium, when consumed in moderation, can be beneficial for kidney health by helping to maintain a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body. However, if you have pre-existing kidney issues or are following a restricted diet, it's important to consume pomegranate in moderation. Always consult with a healthcare provider if you're unsure about incorporating certain foods into your diet. So, how can you enjoy pomegranates in your morning routine? The ruby red arils, seeds, of the pomegranate are not only a feast for the eyes but also for your taste buds. You can sprinkle these vibrant seeds over your morning cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt to add a pop of color and a sweet tart flavor. For a more refreshing option, blend them into a smoothie for a delicious and nutrient-packed drink. If you're craving something extra hydrating, why not try a glass of freshly squeezed pomegranate juice to kickstart your day? Pomegranates, alongside the other kidney-friendly fruits we've discussed, create a comprehensive approach to supporting kidney health. Each fruit brings its own set of unique benefits,